know it's the most antisocial car I've ever been. Hi guys, welcome back to Bitofpizza. Today we've got an Audi RS3 on the channel, 650 horsepower, believe it or not. Beaver remap, downpipes, hybrid turbos,
sports exhaust.
Stupidly crazy. Well, the owner says it's about 650, 620. He doesn't want to overestimate figures, but
it's
yeah,
in that region.
It's in that region. It's thereabouts. Obviously, a Nada Grey, 15 plates. So one of the first ones that came out. Great value now, that's sort of 30,000 pounds. So yeah, can't complain really.
There is something I can complain about though.
Yeah, of course. But then again, we are in a parked in a cycle lane, so what do we expect?
On the way, you were doing about 20 miles per hour, downshifting.
And it was popping and
crackles
banging.
and pops. Everyone looks.
Do you know what? It's
scared.
not a chavvy pop and bang though. It's quite a classy pop and bang map. No, it's not a map. It's just how the car sounds. It's not even the map. It's a pop and bang. So yeah, it's classy-ish in a way. The interior. Again, just normal Audi A3 interior. Alcantara bottom steering wheel. Actually, it's a bit worn out. The car's obviously 5 years old, and it's been obviously used in driving spiritly manners, which is why you buy an RS3 for in the first place. But yeah, the interior is obviously a very nice place to be. Heated seats, NMI dampers, so it rides absolutely smoothly, especially in comfort mode. Like when you put the power down, it's fucking crazy. So,
super sport seats as well.
Yeah, super sport seats.
Nice
so
option.
I think they're bucket seats, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at the ventilation in there, because they know you get a sweaty back when you drive this bad boy, which is understandable. Obviously, these are the, I want to say they're 20 inches, no, 19 inches.
19 inch
yeah.
diamond cut.
Diamond cut.
Only on the RS3, obviously, right?
Well, yeah, you can. But you can get on TTSs and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah. But like, you wouldn't find it on an A3, so that's another clue that.
Yeah,
this
I'm
is
not sure if you
something
can. I'm not going to say that. You said that.
I said that. I'll hold the L on that one.
Yeah, you can hold the L on that one. My arse is currently showing right now, so I apologise to the wall that's had that view.
You're sweating.
Speaking of arses, it is 30 degrees today, and I really do apologise for the sweat. It's bloody stupidly hot today. Can't help it. So this is the bit where the sun is shining on. This is the sports exhaust from Audi. Fairly tame diffuser, nothing crazy. Honeycomb sort of grille there.
It doesn't give away too much, you know. It's got roof rack.
If this is mine, I'll debadge it. Let's put it that way. And that way you wouldn't even know that I'm going to gap you in your whatever car you've got, pretty much.
And I love this as well.
Yeah.
The roof bars.
So as you can see, it's been kept classy. It hasn't been de-chromed and like blacked out and chavved out. It's just from factory privacy glass. There's not the Audi things there. So it's a proper humble little vehicle.
Except what's under the bonnet in a second.
Exactly, under the bonnet.
Seriously, to fucking oil that shit.
Yeah, dual brake discs, as you can see. They're not ceramics or anything like that. They're just normal steelies. They've got uprated pads though, so they're the yellow stuff.
Oh, it stops.
And it stops like hell, especially if you send it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to say about the exterior. Like I said, he's kept it classy and standard.
It's a sleeper.
It's all in the driving experience of this car, and you'll see that in the video in a second. I don't apologise to the camera again, but you're going to get a view of my kneecaps and the steering wheel. Just deal with it. YouTube's not paying enough just yet, and you know, Brexit and
we are getting
and
a new lens, definitely.
We're getting a new lens, and we'll go from there. But yeah, we'll take it out for a drive, give it a few revs so you can hear it pop, 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 and then yeah, we'll be on our way. Hi guys, you join me inside the incredibly sweaty RS3, not because I'm being stingy with the aircon, because I want the windows down for the noise, so it's a compromise I'm willing to make. I'm about to hit a tunnel in a second. Everyone's just looking at this car, because like, they can realise just how it's an RS3, and they can hear the sounds back at a traffic light. But as you can hear, just driving it normally, it does pop and bang quite a lot. And there's a Aston Martin DB5 over there. Oh, and a Jeep. There you go, if you can see over there, if you're interested. I don't know if you are.
I'm not.
Fair enough. And there's a 3-litre CSO over there, but again, I think you're interested, so. But yeah, there's a little tunnel bit up here. I'm going to give it a little skirt, see what it does. But yeah, gonna keep it an urban video again today. Second urban video in a row, but you know,
that's what happens
there's
when
too
you
much
live in
traffic
London.
in Surrey. There's not much you can do about it, so we have to just keep it calm. Constantly mindful of police, just in case. Don't really want to deal with it. Jeez. Sorry about the wind noise.
Such a unique sound.
Right, I've got a little tunnel segment here. So I'm just going to the windows down a little bit.
Sounds crazy, that's nuts.
I'm sure it's not louder outside as well, but
It's actual gunshot.
do you know what? From the inside, it's actually quite refined. You don't even hear the pops that much. It's just sort of, yeah, it's quite subtle pops, I would say. Like,
You know what? It was the same in the A45. The cars, like German cars, are so refined. You don't even hear the exhaust that much from inside.
You got to tap it a little bit. I'm sort of influencing the pops, as you could say. Like if you want to get the full pops out of it, you got to tap the throttle a little bit and then go from there. But yeah, definitely. Like I'm scared to put the full power on the road, not because of like, you know, it's too powerful or anything like that. More in the fear of police and stuff like that. But we'll do a little U-turn. We'll go back down there in a second. But I can push it a bit more down there. But yeah, you just hit the speed limit so quickly in this car.
So what, are we in dynamic mode right now?
Yeah, so we're in dynamic mode, which obviously enhances the throttle response, the gear change a bit quicker as well, stuff like that.
And there's no valves, but obviously...
Yeah, there's no valves. So dynamic mode just gives you the best of both worlds, really. So you can sort of still take it down a notch and not go too crazy. And if you want to give it the full enchilada, you can give it the full enchilada and not worry about it. It's just one of those ones. So yeah, it's not too bad. We'll go down here.
And again in London, cameras.
Bit mad at it. It's just a bit crazy. I'm gonna get the noise. The noise is. Best thing about this car is the noise. Like,
There's such a unique sound, 5-pot. Like, what other cars are 5-pot nowadays?
as you can tell, I'm such a like 20-year-old. Not 20-year-old, but yeah, in my 20s.
That's what you tell the girls, isn't it?
It's silly, isn't it?
It's mad.
That McDonald's is always full of police, so I'll take it easy around here. But yeah. And again, look, you just put it back into drive, just drive it normally. You can just have your normal every day-to-day things. And the owner's had his car for 5 years. He's done however many thousand miles on it, and he's had a great experience with it. No issues, apart from he's mentioning the rear diff occasionally from the launch control. So if you've got one of these,
Don't launch it.
don't launch it too much. Just keep it nice and easy. And yeah, we'll do that. No launches, sorry. We won't do launches. What we could do is, if we go on the way back, we go towards Clapham and get some reactions, the pops and bangs and stuff. That might work. Just short shifting, testing the boost, and the boost comes in quite high and quite low. It's very varied. It's nothing too crazy, but like, so we're in third gear right now, doing 10 miles an hour. And yeah, we just did 30 there, and 30 just 20 miles an hour in like 1 second. It's pretty quick.
It's very tame for such an Asmo car, like.
Yeah, exactly. It's not too bad.
Speed nicely, but it's because of how refined it is. It sort of numbs just how quick you're going.
The owner, he's not a fan of the pops and bangs. He's a subtle man, you know, but obviously I'm not, so. Because my car doesn't pop a bang like this. So every time I get into a car and it pops and bangs, I'm like, yes, please.
That's what I love, like when you're going, what, 20 miles an hour and you do a little downshift.
Yeah, it's mad. Interesting fact of the day, Gordon Ramsay's house is just down there in a second, if you want to. Yeah.
What, to the left?
To the left, yeah.
Fuck me.
Fuck me.
Fuck me.
It's bleeding raw. Obviously not the council flats, but down there, that's where Gordon Ramsay lives.
You. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Oh my.
Now, believe it or not, that is legal. Yeah, put it back into comfort mode now, and yeah, we'll get some people's reactions down Clapham Park and see what they think of the pops and bangs, and we'll head back and do an outro and call it a day. But Yeah, one day we'll get his car out in some country roads hopefully, and I can just show you just how crazy this will be.
It's a nice little teaser.
On roads like that. But it's a teaser, exactly. It's an intro to the RS3, especially with 650 horsepower. Again, there's not much we can do given obviously the speed limits of the roads, but we just give you an understanding of how it's like in city driving and stuff, and you can still enjoy it. But yeah, on to Clapham. Yeah, so we're Clapham now. There's traffic anyway, there's not much I can do anyway, so I'm just going to take it easy. But yeah.
It gets a lot of attention.
Yeah, Clapham's a great place. If you're a single man and you need your top up, practice come. Definitely recommend it. Maybe get one of these before you come though. Literally. Wow, what a car, man. I feel so lucky to be able to drive it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Legally, of course.
Very legally, I'm fully insured.
The first time ever.
Well, it's quite empty today. This place is usually fucking packed up.
Yeah, they liked it. Do you know what it is as well? On a lot of mapped cars, they limit the torque and the power in the first few gears.
Oh yeah, that's really why. Yeah.
So
the Audi definitely has that initial pull, I think. Like
yeah, you're not getting the full experience because obviously to protect the clutch, they're limiting the torque and the power in like the first 3 gears.
It's true.
So unless you're on a country road, you're never going to get the full enchilada, as you like to say.
Yeah. Why are you stuck in double reds, mate? Fucking hell.
Prius drivers, man.
You wonder why you get £60
Uber drivers.
fine. No, but if I do like a £60 fine, right? Gearbox is so quick. You just whack the pedal. It's like bing 3, bing 4, bing 2.
Can't beat a DSG. You know what I seen earlier? There was an M4 with the plate M400 DSG.
Oh, it's a DSG.
They're not DSG, are they?
Oh, that's embarrassing.
It's embarrassing, man.
You can't do that.
But DSG is the best gearbox.
Yes, it is.
And then PDK.
PDK, PEDIC, as they say.
And then EDC.
EDC. Then PPF.
STD.
STD. HIV.
AIDS. People are thinking, what the fuck is going on? Everyone in the park is looking.
That's the reactions he wanted. Yeah, just to show off how small Willie is, because it's pretty small, so this compensates very well. She's alright. She looks like she works in Nando's. I'll give her a half chicken. There goes the most antisocial car I've ever been.
That is nuts.
I'm almost back. No, I'm so sad. I'm so sad.
Oh, it smells good as well. Decat fumes.
Yeah, I'm sad. It's good.
Best experience?
Yeah. Honestly, like, just around town, like, it was so much fun. And just then, I pushed it a little bit and you could feel the turbo just keep going in, keep going in. So yeah, I think with hybrid turbos, obviously they work high at high pressure. So
that's the problem. Like if it's this good around town, you can only imagine what it would be like on a country road or just an open stretch in general. And here we are back.
Right guys, that was the video today with my friend's RS3. Again, like I said in the video, we couldn't really max it out due to the location, but just that brief moment I had of it, the pops and bangs, the theatre it has, the speed it has just around town, the responsiveness of the gearbox, everything about it is just bloody amazing. And my favourite car on the channel, I always say that, but it genuinely is. Like, so classy, so refined, hints of Huracan sound, hints of Lamborghini, and just sounds amazing. But big fan. What can I say about it really? I'll definitely recommend it if you want to buy one. And thanks for watching, guys. Like I said earlier on, please make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and we'll be out.